Hello everyone who watched this video tutorial. Today I will show you how to crochet simple flower with bead in the center. This is the 6-petal flower. Each petal made of puff stitches. I made these puff stitches unusual way. Crochet with me and you will enjoy the process of making. This is the front side of the flower. I remove the bead. For example, I have done exact flower using another color of yarn. This example made of Angora yarn. You can use acrylic or cotton yarn. Let's look at this flower. In this case, I used red shadows and red bead. Let's begin the work. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's crochet. Make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Now I'm going to work with single crochet stitches into the ring. It will be 12 stitches. For this, make chain to bring up the yarn and make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have done 12 single crochet. We skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. The ring is ready. Now I show you how to crochet 3D petal. It is made of puff stitch. As I said before, I go to work with puff stitch unusual way. For this, make chain of 5. 1, 2. Oops, I lost my loop. 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook. Now I'm going to do 10 strings. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up to the level of the chain. I hold all loops with my finger. All strings should be the same. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop to the level of the chain and take the working yarn, pull it through. 3, 4, pull through 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook except the last one. We have 2 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops and pull. The puff stitch is ready. My petal is almost ready. I just need to make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make a slip stitch. My petal is ready. Let's begin the next one. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In total it should be 6 such petals. First is done. You need to do 5 more. After I have done the 6th petal, make a slip stitch into the next stitch. And I have already cut off the yarn and my flower is ready. The simple and unusual 6-petal flower is done. The central part of this flower can be decorated with bead. And let's look at it. It can be decoration for your head, or bag, or scarf. Or it can be part of laces, such as guipure or Irish. In the next video tutorials, I will try to experiment and crochet the swatch made of such small flowers. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and crochet with me. Thanks for watching.